single. Yeah, oh, you don't have to clap because I'm not happy about it either. Not happy at all. But I'm not one of those girls that just sit around waiting on that person to come and just sweep me off my feet. No, I am actively pursuing my prince. I put an ad on Craigslist. And basically it just said this. I'm looking for a guy that says, I don't have to be beautiful to turn him on. I don't have to know any tricks to turn him out. I don't have to be rich to be his girl. I have to be cool to rule his world. Ain't no particular side. I'm a compatible. All I want is no extra time. And yo, kid, there you go. Right there. Yeah. I mean, what? I know, right? Whatever happened to that guy, right? I mean, I'm in California. I don't know no guy that don't want you to know no tricks. Money? I'm like, wait a minute now, really? I mean, things just not like how they used to be in 1999. But anyway, I have become creative in my singleness. I got my GPS device voice changed to a Barry White's voice. So whenever I'm feeling lonely, I just go take a ride in my car. And I let Barry White take me there. Oh yeah, baby. Oh baby. Can't get enough of your ride, baby. Oh baby. You're right, baby. Oh, you gon' turn right. Oh, I see it go. Oh, baby. Oh, can't get enough of your ride, baby. Oh, baby. You almost at your destination. Oh, baby. And you got to reach your peak. I saw a homeless person the other day. I mean, no, really I did. But you know, the difference between this homeless person that I saw is that he had a dog with him. I mean, I've seen homeless people with dogs before, but he had a purebred pit bull. Now, what does he get $3,000 to buy a purebred pit bull? Tell me, please. And then the saddest part about it is that he's going to feed the dog premium canned dog food, and then he goes over to the trash can and feeds himself. Now, y'all, that's just wrong. That dog needs a home. Yeah, my car got broken into the other day. And it's really sad because I don't keep anything in my car. So I'm trying to figure out why somebody want to steal from me. So basically all they got out of my car was some hand sanitizer, 35 cents, one tennis shoe, and my tennis racket. So when the police come, they're like, you know, talking to me. I'm like, look, I don't know nothing. But I do know when you look for the suspect, to look for a broke-ass, germaphobe, one-legged tennis player. Just hopped off with all my stuff. I'm hopping on my stuff. But you guys, you know, I think it was probably karma, because I really have a bad temper. And the other day I was at this store, I don't know, some freaking store. But I was waiting on a parking spot. And this lady, she sees me waiting on this parking spot, and she just swoops in and takes my spot. Now I'm heated. I try to talk to the lady when she gets out of the car and explain to her, look, I was waiting on this parking spot. She didn't want to listen to me, so she just runs on in the store. Now see, I'm a lady. I am not going to follow her in the store. But I waited for her to come out. And I followed her for 3 exits on the freeway. You know, I guess I'm just trying to tell you guys that the moral of the story is that I know she would never steal somebody's parking spot again. Because I killed her. Thanks, guys.